In this video we are going to see something called static. What a static do is it will pass through multiple things, like same thing through multiple things. Now let's see what it is. Let's say we want to get some members in the club. Let's say we want to go out with some popular members in the club. We want to count them like one by one, but instead of giving different variables for each members, we can use this static to create a common variable that will do the job so easy. Because if you use static, it will reduce the space and reduce the time of your coding. Now let's go ahead and see an example. Okay, first of all, I create a private variable, private string first. This is for the first name, and then private string last. This is for the last name. And now we are going to count the members. So to do that, private static int members that's equal to 0. Initialize this one with 0. Now the static, what does it do is it use the member as common thing. Now let's go ahead and see that. First of all, I create a method called public apples, and inside of this one I give an argument string first name fn for first name and string ln for last name. And then inside of this curly bracket I say first is equal to fn, and then last is equal to ln. Okay, and then member plus plus. Each time we enter a member, it's gonna add one to that. Okay, now we are gonna give a statement on the screen. Member. Okay, let's put members plus plus because that's the one we created right here. Now we are going to give a system.out statement, system.out.printf. In this statement we are going to just display something like constructor for percentages for the first name, percentages for the last name, and then comma members in the club, then colon, and after that what's the number of the members, %d for that, and then \n. Okay, now the first we have put percentages and %d. First percentages for the first name, so we put first right here, and the second percentages we put for the last name, we put a last right here, and then the last one is for the members. The %d we put, it's going to be for the members, so it's going to be percentage not members right here. And each time we add a member, it's going to do the increment by 1. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the members. Now to add the members, I use the other class I created, boy. I go to this one and I create apples, and first member 1 is equal to new apples. Inside of this one I'm going to put the person name. Megan is the first name, and then Fox is the last name, Fox. Okay, now like that we are going to put 2 more members. This one is 1. We are going to create 2 more members, so I copy this one and paste it 2 more times. Okay, now I'm going to name this one as 2, member 3. I'm going to give different names, Selena Gomez, and Taylor Swift. Okay, now we have 3 members. And when we run this one, it should print this statement like a constructor for the first name Megan Fox, member in the club, number 1, and it's go and print for the other one, doing increment by 1, like member 2, member 3. Now let's run this one. Now you're seeing constructor for the Megan Fox, number in the club is 1. Constructor for the Selena Gomez, member in the club is 2. Constructor for the Taylor Swift is member in the club 3. Here we use these members as a static thing, so we can do it for multiple members we create. And that's it in this tutorial. I'm gonna explain more about static in my next tutorial. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.